feel like I forgot how to do this. It has been such a long time. May has been such a crazy month, so I think we need to do a little chat, life update, whatnot, and get you caught up. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do first. So I graduated college, and yeah, I've just kind of been doing my thing. But I'm back, and we are packing for a long vacation. I am going away, I'm very excited, but I have accumulated an ungodly amount of things that I need to pack for like half of a month. So we're gonna do that together. I also have a huge haul that I've been collecting clothes for also like a little over a month. And then we're gonna pack together. I'm gonna show you what I bring, what I put in my carry-on, and how I fit everything into 2 suitcases. I also think I'm pretty good at packing because I'm a very organized person and I like to use packing cubes, but I don't know how this is gonna go, so we'll see. So here we just have shirts. This is just a little tank top. This is more of like a going out shirt. And then these 4 are from Zara. A lot of this stuff is from Zara and Garage. These are actually from Brandy Melville. These are Garage. They're little Champion like windbreaker shorts. These are from Urban Outfitters. And these are from Amazon. These are just my jean shorts. These 2 are from Garage, and then this is just a black pair of jean shorts. They're Levi 501s. This is another pair of just plain blue jeans from Zara, and then a black pair from, I believe, Garage. And then these 3 dresses are all from Zara. This first one is like a white kind of linen material. It's like a very long, flowy dress. The second one is just this short sleeve denim dress. And then just this plain pink like roost dress. Now I'm gonna add just like everything else that I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna put it in piles before I add it into the packing cubes, and I'll show you all that. I'm stressed, and I think you would be stressed too if you saw what I was looking at. Oh my god. Now we have to put all of this into packing cubes. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do it. They're all in different piles. Pajamas, jeans, dresses, sweatshirts, sweatpants, jean shorts, skirts, tops, 2-piece sets, shorts, jean jacket. That's like cover-ups and bathing suits. And then over here we have some shoes. I still need to put my sneakers and stuff. Those are the 2 shoes I also bought in my mall trips, and these are from Steve Madden. And these are just some products and body stuff that I need to also pack. That's a gift I need to pack. So basically, there's just a bunch of stuff everywhere, but it's kind of neat. It's like an organized mess. But now we're gonna put everything into packing cubes and really see how we're gonna arrange this suitcase and see if we could fit everything. Alright, we have made serious progress. I've gotten all of the packing cubes put into 2 suitcases. We still have to do makeup, hair, skincare, and get my carry-on together.
Later that same evening.
It is a lot later. It's actually nighttime right now. I still need to shower and everything before I go to bed because my flight's early tomorrow. I've just been like cleaning stuff around my room, getting last minute stuff done. Now I'm just gonna do my carry-on and show you guys what I bring. I actually also just bought this huge tote bag. I just need something really big that can honestly fit a bunch of pouches because that's how I like to pack my stuff. Here is just makeup and brushes, stuff like that, makeup remover, a little mirror. This goes in my carry-on. This is just, I think, hair and skincare. Yeah, this is just all my hair and skincare products. There's also like face sunscreen and stuff in here. So these two go together. This is just medicine and vitamins, so I keep that on me too for easy access. This is great. I will also link this. This is just all my cameras, and then on this side is just chargers, SD cards, stuff like that. This actually can be taken out of here. This is just a portable charger. I'm also going to bring in my bag to have like easy access, but I need to charge this tonight. So this actually will stay out, but I'm gonna throw this in the bag tomorrow morning. This is like everything that I need for the plane when I'm in my seat. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I always have to have Lysol wipes and Lysol spray to spray like the seat and everything around it. I have a little snack. I have Purell, another Purell. I always keep Liquid IV on me now because of my autoimmune, whatever. Hand cream, an eye mask, a clip, gum, hair tie, little perfume, stuff like that. Then I'm going to take this bag too. This is just another little purse. I put my sunglasses in here just to save space. My headphones. And then my laptop will go in here. So the laptop and the chargers and stuff I'm going to charge tonight while I sleep and then just stuff it in the bag tomorrow morning. I'm going to end the video here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed packing with me and seeing my little organization tips. There's going to be so much fun content coming, so definitely stay tuned. And again, when I'm not posting on here, I'm definitely posting on Instagram, so you can follow me there if you want to be updated. But be sure to subscribe, do all the things. If not, that's fine too. But I will see you in the next video.